Welcome, this is Zangler, the Tesla Semi advocate, and these potentially are the very first three Tesla Semi Atlas, the refreshed version, that have rolled out of that door, the big BFD, the big freaking door, and they don't look like they're 100% complete, which reminds me of a gentleman who once mentioned that an assembly line can only move as fast as the slowest part or the slowest supplier. Most of these parts are going to be built here in this factory, but maybe not initially. Anyway, just enjoy the view of these three Atlas semis at Semi Factory, Nevada, affectionately known as Giga Semi. Stay tuned for a complete Giga Semi Factory video coming up soon. And thanks for watching, and thanks for all your support.